Okay, so I want to show you how to share Google Docs or any file that you have in a Google Drive in a Google Plus post. And so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the Google Drive document or file that you want to share and make sure that it's shared appropriately. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to share with you this side-by-side comparison of traditional and online training, not because I want you to pay much attention to this particular document, but I want to show you how to share it, and this is somewhat interesting. So the first thing you want to do is, once you open that file that you want to share, is notice the big blue share button that we're all familiar with, hopefully. We click on that, and the link that we're provided with is the link that we want to copy and paste into the Google Plus post. But the first thing we need to do is make sure that it is shared in such a way that the people we share it with, when they click on it, can actually view it. So the way I prefer, unless of course it's sensitive information, is to make sure that I'm sharing, the sharing status that I have chosen for my document is anyone who has the link can view. Now, I can change that to any of these options here, including private. A note about private though, if you choose private, you'll need to make sure that you've shared with each individual specifically and given them some level of privilege, via view only or edit or some other combination thereof. And so I'm going to choose anyone with the link. So I'm just going to keep that as is. I don't need to click done. I'm just going to copy this link, make sure it's selected, Control C or Command C on a Mac. I think I can right click on that too and click copy, and then just done. Now I go to Google Plus, switch over here, on my profile page or any place else where I need to post, perhaps a community, and I click on link. Now the fact of the matter is I can click and paste it right into the body of the text for this post, and Google Plus will be able to tell what it is and share it appropriately. But I'm going to use the link, paste a link here function, click paste. Now Google does its thing and says, hey, that's a Google Doc and here's a preview. Now anybody who clicks on this is going to be able to see it. And I can simply give it some intro text, and I can throw in paragraphs of prose if I like, or a couple of sentences to say exactly what this is. Here is my tutorial for sharing a Google Doc. And that's it. I hope that you found this useful, and moving forward I hope that you're able to share documents through Google Plus anytime you like. The last thing I want to make sure I remind you to do is make sure you add a circle. If I have my university college circle, hundreds of people will get this document. You may have a different circle, or you can share it with individuals. For example, I can share it with Deborah. If I can spell her name, Deborah Hodgkins, just Deborah, or any list of specific individuals I'd like to share it with, and then I would click share, and that would be that. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to make a different post that I make sure I share with everybody that I'd like. So I'm going to click cancel, and that is the video. Thank you very much.